Hi, Portersbury. Say hello. You're going to shy now. Hi, it's Sam here. We just wanted to let you know that we are going to start doing some fun Facebook Live videos after the Easter holidays. But to keep you going for the Easter holidays, we thought we'd share a little project we've been doing at home. So we've been working on this for a couple of days. So the things you will need for it are some cardboard and some egg boxes. We had lots of egg boxes. And so what we've done, Evie, is we've cut them up, haven't we? We've cut all of the bottoms of our egg boxes. So we've just got can you see here? We've got a box full of the bottoms of our egg boxes. So we spent quite a bit of time cutting those out, didn't we? It took us a long time. Some of them were quite tricky. So that's definitely the jobs for the mummies and daddies. And then we started painting them. So do you want to show them one of your favourite ones, Evie? Is that a favourite? Can you see the colours there? It's hard to know what you guys can see compared to what we can see. But we went for purples and yellows, didn't we? We were feeling all spring and Easter-like, weren't we? So this is a little project. So we cut out a ring of card, didn't we? So we just found large cardboard boxes. I expect lots of you are having deliveries of things at the moment. So, yep, we did this, and that was the tricky bit. Mummy had to draw around a plate, and then I had to kind of cut that out. So that wasn't easy, but we got there. But you might be able to do it with something else. And then we painted that bright green, didn't we? We wanted to go green. Oh, you've got some sparkly bits. Cool. So we painted that first, and then we've had to wait for that to dry. And then now we have painted these. And again, I said we went for purple and yellow. And then the plan is to stick them all the way around like this. And at the end, we should have a beautiful Easter wreath or spring wreath that we can either stick maybe on our front door for people as they go past, or we might have it as a centrepiece on the table. What do you think? So our next stage, as I say, is we're going to do another coat of paint. We're going to paint the outside as well, just so it looks pretty from all angles. And then this is Evie's idea. We were going to stick a little pom-pom on the middle. Can you see that? So she's gone for a pink sparkly one there. So you might have pom-poms at home. What else could we have stuck in the middle? Maybe some scrunched up tissue paper?
Some sparkles.
Some sparkles, so some glitter or sequins. Maybe a button, if you've got any pretty buttons at home. But we'd really love to see your Easter spring wreaths. So maybe some of you would like to have a go at doing some. Definitely a whole family project. We need to see brothers, sisters, mums and dads all getting involved in this, don't we? So yeah, we're just about to do our second coat of paint. And then hopefully we'll get this put together over the weekend. And then maybe next week we can pop back on here and show you what we've made. So good luck everyone with your spring wreaths. Ooh. And yeah, we look forward to seeing how yours end up looking and what colours you choose. Should we say bye-bye?
Bye.
Bye.